Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can enable camera in Google Meet. So let's start. The first thing we want to do is just be in simple Google Meet, and there are a few ways what you need to do. Go to settings here, and you're gonna see video. So this is the first thing you need to do, just choose a video here. Then you're gonna see this small button, right? And you want to continue allowing to access your camera. So these are the two things you need to do. Then just click here, new meeting, start instant meeting, like when you're all ready. The camera is starting and you should be able to see your camera like I'm seeing mine right now. So I'm going to click join now, whatever. And you can just, when you are gonna turn off the camera here, you just want to turn on the camera. And voila, mamma mia, mucho gracias. So yeah guys, thank you very much. And my hair is messy. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, but this is the two ways what you need to do. Yep, have a great day and goodbye.